What's up guys? So here we are today. We're walking under the heat of the sun looking for battery for my car. And I've gone to Motolite store already. And a 60 battery cost about 4,000. The other one said that they can bring it down up to 3,700 with trade-in, and then the other one they can bring it down up to 3,600 with trade-in. So I'm considering that, but I have one more store to look at. Guys, so I went to a battery store, Motolite. They have the same price but different price when it comes to trade-in. And then one Panganiban store for 2 is the price. I'm gonna get the Amaron 55D 24LS battery. This that's more reliable than Motolite. So it's bang for the buck. Let's go. What's up guys, so let's go on ahead and unbox this item. This is the Amaron 55B24LS. Alright, as you can see, packaging wise, I so love the box. This is color green, and which is really good for the eye. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, packaging wise, it's just pretty simple. You can just pull this one and remove this other one right here. Okay, styro. Okay, there you go. Battery. Oh, battery cap has been removed, but let's go ahead and move forward. There is the battery, and let me show you guys this one. This is the warranty card which the shop gave me. So guys, this battery comes with 21 months warranty. Alright, so that's a great deal already. Okay, so here's the handle. This is one thing that I like about Amaron batteries. They have this handle. And look at those details. Those are all printed and embossed on the battery. And the other details are also engraved on the battery as well. Alright, so pretty nice packaging and presentation right there. Alright, let me turn on the lights. Okay. Let me pull this one out for you guys. Let's go. Okay. It's pretty heavy. I'll show you the details, the measurements, and the weight as well later on, okay? Let's just go ahead and check and see what are on this battery, alright? So there's the Amaron logo embossed on the battery itself. Alright, what else do we have on the other side? So just some simple designs there. Okay, so there's a sticker paper over there. Okay, and what else do we have here? Well, let's see what's on the box. So it says it says silver inside, zero maintenance, high life. Okay, so that's the details right there. So Amaron lasts long, really long, high life. So this is the instruction, guys. So most important thing is to switch your engine off, remove the holder, battery holder, remove the negative first and then the positive. Alright, so that you will avoid any spark. Alright, and then of course, if once you're ready to put it back on, then just do it in reverse. So once again, 55B24LS. It's the model number of this Amaron. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and test the voltage on this brand new battery. We are looking for 12 volts from this battery, so let's go ahead and remove the cap. Positive and the negative for the terminals. Okay, so we're gonna use a multimeter set to DCV 50 volts, so we're not overload the multimeter. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and test it. We're looking for 12 volts. Okay, so as you can see guys, this measurement is exactly at 12 volts, so this is good. Alright guys, so this is the battery that I will be replacing. This is a Motolite N40L1SNF, and we are going to need a 10mm wrench to unscrew this battery and to remove the battery holder. Alright guys, so once you have successfully removed the battery, don't forget to clean the terminals as well, alright, so that you'll get a good contact. Alright, so let's do a quick comparison of these two batteries. So as you can see on the Motolite battery, most of the details are just this on stickers, but on the Amaron battery it is embossed and printed out on the battery itself. So that's, for me, that is quality and durability. The sizes, the length, the width, the depth are pretty identical. And in case you haven't noticed, the Amaron battery have an LED charge indicator. Alright guys, so once you have successfully installed the new battery, make sure that the battery terminals are tight and secure, alright, so that you won't have any issues. Alright guys, so now let's give it a try. Let's step on the clutch and the brake, and make sure that the gear is on neutral, and let's go. Oh, perfect. So just one click and the car started already. Alright, so it's all good guys. Alright guys, if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you on my next video. Peace out.